What's up, guys? Daniel here. I've been diving deep into the AI revolution, and it's mind-blowing. We're entering an era where AI is reshaping the world with autonomous systems, and it's happening faster than you might think. Today, we're going to break down how AI is transforming industries in ways you wouldn't believe. Let's check it out. Let's kick things off with manufacturing. AI and robotics are completely changing the game on production lines. You've got these insane robots with advanced computer vision and machine learning algorithms that can work 24/7, never get tired, and are crazy precise. Now, let's talk autonomous vehicles. This is where things get really exciting. We're not just talking self-driving cars anymore, although those are pretty dope. We're looking at AI-powered trucks handling long-haul routes, drones making deliveries, and even ships navigating the oceans without a human crew. These vehicles are packed with LiDAR sensors, GPS, and powerful onboard computers running complex AI algorithms. The impact on logistics and transport is huge. Imagine never having to worry about driver fatigue or human error. These autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other using V2V technology, optimize routes in real time, and potentially make our roads a whole lot safer. Now let's switch gears and talk about how AI is revolutionizing healthcare. We're seeing AI assist doctors in diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. It's analyzing medical images using deep learning algorithms, predicting patient outcomes with neural networks, and even helping discover new drugs through complex simulations. This tech could literally be saving lives, and that's pretty incredible. In the world of finance, AI is equally disruptive. You've got these algorithms that can analyze market trends and make trades in milliseconds. AI is detecting fraud using pattern recognition, offering personalized financial advice through chatbots and robo-advisors, and making complex financial decisions. It's like having a super smart financial advisor that never sleeps and can process terabytes of data in seconds. So, where does all this leave us? The potential of AI to create new opportunities is massive, but we've got to be smart about it. As we push forward with AI, we need to think about the ethical implications and make sure we're deploying this tech responsibly. It's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see what comes next. Let me know in the comments what you think about this AI revolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!